Hey, wake up, it's my turn now.
No, you wake up, Blue! I pooed.
Come here.
I pooed was
Hey.
doing that, don't tell
Wait,
me.
remember that toy we got from Toys R Us?
Yeah, toys are you and me in the bed.
Here.
Hello.
Here it is.
Let me
Come
use
over
it.
here.
I don't have one.
Turn it over. Oh, looky. Your turn. Daddy.
Revive me! Revive me!
I won!
It's actually fun. Hello, come on, hello.
I won!
Hey, another game. What even are those? Oh, I can get that. It's a code game.
Let's play football!
Hello, come on,
Ooh.
hello, come on.
Your turn!
Revive me!
Hey, let's play football! Let's play
Football! Let's play a game of football.
Alright, you ready?
Hello, come on, hello.
Come on, yeah.
Hello. Wait, no,
Bop
we're not
it.
playing right. Do you know how we're not playing right?
Look the bopper!
Follow me. Bring a light, my boy. I'll bring the light.
Let's go to the whirlpool!
No. Come on. Let's play a real game of cards. Actually, what whirlpool? What whirlpool?
Huh?
What?
No.
What's this?
Why isn't she? Alright,
Should we
you
jump
ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, we bring you!
I don't know. Where's all my friends? You thought you could escape, friends. Hey, I got my light, so we can still play. No. It's a game of cards. It's very
Give
simple.
me a game of cards.
A game of
You can
cards.
play.
No, you
Remember,
play.
we bring the boom. Do some more.
Revive me. There's still more cards. What if I put this in my stash? Or
You can't see.
Put it
I
to my
don't know.
Guys, I think we need to head home. Head home.
Yeah.
Head home. Head.
Let's go.
Okay. I'm gonna get my fishy.
I don't
Don't kill me. You're grabbing the boom thing. I know. What you trying to do? Funny. No, come on, let's head home.
No.
Wait, what's
I
this?
know a secret. Follow me.
Millie. Look at Millie. Oh, I'm so bad. Oh, whoa, whoa, what? Maggie, guys. You guys should remember Maggie. 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 We honor his name. We are Jolly Girl. Jolly Cookie. I want the cookie. Hey, my camera don't like me, but if I like you, you like me.
You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We bring the boom. Where are we?
Whoa, yeah, where are we? Whoa.
Up here.
I think the water brought us into Maggie. I think he didn't want us being there because I heard him. Because I heard him going, bleh. He didn't want. He bit me. He licked my toes.
What when you go?
Help me! He licked my toes like you lick mine. AJ, I know that was meant to be a secret, but we needed to share it with the world. We need to share our emotions. Because if me and AJ...
You guys tried running from me.
Oh, come on, hello.
And we all know that wasn't blood.
Yeah, we all know that wasn't blood. Because our blood is made up of newtons, what make our goon.
Yeah. You guys tried running from me.
We bring the boom. That's what we do.
No, we do.
We don't
We
bring
do not
that.
bring the boom yet.
Okay, because do you still have the booms
No,
on you?
no!
Do you still have the booms on you?
Yeah, still bring the boom.
Alright guys, you don't know what we're doing yet, but we're saving the world.
Yeah, we
Who's him? He's freaky. Also, that whirlpool, we only known about it because on the news it said every day it brings us to a new place. So I guess the water brought us.
Haha!
Revive me. Revive me.
I can't. Your stupid camera's in the way.
No, no. So I have an idea.
Well, now.
I have an idea. When he's there, when those little man there, we go, oh yeah, my dynamite's stiff. Oh yeah, we kill you with dynamite, yeah? And then,
That's good.
and he goes out with a hair Hitler. Then he goes out with a hurt Hitler. You think that's good?
We're here!
Oh my god. Yeah, every day that water in that place brings us to a new location. So today it's here.
We're here! We're here! Let's go!
Wacky Adventures! The
I
Wacky
heard
Adventures.
there's like types of monsters here. Should I bring the boom?
Yeah, you should bring the boom on them.
Because I always have a special boom in my bag.
Hey, you guys really thought you could run. Good, come on! We don't want to be late.
I'm ready to bring the boom!
No, you're not.
Yes, I am! Look, they're all here! Hello! You guys look very kind!
No.
Revive me!
Come here.
Revive me!
Did you kill yourself?
Don't!
Be quiet, be quiet.
Come make a video.
Oh my god. Run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! Wait, what's up here? Did Boyo just kill himself again? This this might be one of our dreams again. No, this might be a dream again. What of this?
No, revive me.
Wait,
Still, if it's a dream, you have to revive me.
come here. I didn't mean to do that! I didn't mean to do that! No! Oh no! Wait, hold your fingers! Whoa. We're back.
That,
Whoa.
That
What
was a dream.
happened? Well, that
Wait,
dream or...
remember that car game from Toys R Us? That was actually... Hey, we had the same dream again. Why does this keep going over and over again?
Maybe we're catching on to something. Let's play a game of cards before we end this vlog. Well, look at my
Revive me, little miner.
Revive me,
No.
stupid knitter.
I know what we need to do. Play basketball. We didn't need to do that. We didn't do that.
Alright, let's play.
We bring the boom.
No. And this brings the boom. And then I do that and do my stash and then disappear.
I ended up.
Well, I don't know that you ended our vlog. Well, guys, see you in another vlog. I don't know why he's speaking in that weird voice, but bye.